So to work out the formula of our inorganic acids, it does help to kind of know our polyatomic ions. And remember that an ic ending for an acid is an 8 anion ending, and an us ending for an acid is our ite anion ending. So if we have hydrochloric acid, what that's telling us is that's one of our binary hydrohalic acids, so it's going to be HCl. Okay, sulfuric acid is telling us that the sulfuric part is derived from the SO4 2- anion. So it's going to take how many H pluses to balance that sulfate? It's going to take 2 of them. Okay, so now we should be able to work out the formula is going to be H2SO4. Iodic acid. So the iodic acid is coming from the iodate ion. Iodate is going to be IO3-. So it will take just 1 H plus to balance that. So it's just going to be HiO3. And then hypochlorous acid, well, us is coming from the chlorite. Okay, so ClO2- would be chlorite, but it was hypochlorous, so that means 1 less again. So that would be the hypochlorite ion. I can't even chlorite ion. So again, it's only going to take 1 H plus to balance that, so that will just be HClO. Okay, so let's do one more. Might as well, got time. Okay, so hydrochloric acid is HCl. Iodic acid then, well, iodic is coming from the iodate ion, IO3-. Okay, so it's going to take 1 H plus to balance it, so that would be HiO3. Nitrous acid, trus, is coming from the nitrite ion, which will be NO2-, if I could type. So that'd be HNO2 would be nitrous acid. And then phosphoric acid, well, the phosphate ion is PO4-3-, that's phosphate. Okay, so it's going to take how many H pluses to balance it? It's going to take 3 H pluses to balance it. So that is going to give me the formula of H3PO4. So 3 hydrogens for every PO4-3-. Okay, that's all there is to it.